My name is Olaiwola Yomide Stephen. I currently work as a business analyst with Omni Retail Technology. My biggest challenge was that I've been meaning to transit to the analytical world from a sales executive that I am, which Camanda Academy was able to help me get over it. Out of the pool of options that I have, I found Camanda Academy affordable in terms of the flexibility. Camanda Academy is flexible. Also, when it comes to mentorship, Camanda Academy help you, takes you by the hand, even where you have challenges with what you are being taught. Lastly, I chose Camanda Academy because they didn't just lecture you and leave you all by yourself. They tend to also refer you to resource personnel. In terms of skills that I learned, Power BI is something that I've been meaning to know better of before now. And before now, I happen to be a novice using Power BI. But Camanda Academy have been able to help me get over that from being a novice in using Power BI to someone that could create his own dashboard that gets to solve a real-time problem. I recommend Camanda Academy to you because it's going to be the best decision you ever made, as you're going to be transiting from being a novice to an analyst just like me.